Okay guys, this is a special video, stay tuned. It's a special unboxing video. So as you know, I've talked about it, but I also haven't told you the full story about this. This is the Grave Watcher, but it's not the one that you think it is. It is a groundbreaker. If you don't know what a no light in here. Oh my god, my face is like crazy. Hold on. Let's turn a little. Let's dim. Let's stop that, bro. I think it's. All right. We're gonna unbox it over here, but so this is the groundbreaker. I don't know what a groundbreaker is. It's like one of those things that you put on the ground. I guess it's made by a weird company. It's like, I don't even remember the name. It's like a weird Japanese company. And they made it custom. I bought this off SD. And it's a groundbreaking grave washer. And I was like, what the fudge? It comes in a pretty bad box. Beat up, the lid is freaking missing. But I do honestly bought this to see if this is a good product or not, because I'm like really confused. Let's move you guys over so that way I can unbox this with more space. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. So this costed $100. That's more than the actual Grave Watcher. So this better be worth it. So they have that cardboard piece that they always have on the top. Oh, it's different. The hands are attached to the clothing. That's weird. So this is the dress, and just kind of looks like the normal Grave Watcher, because I guess they took. I don't know. Oh, it's her head, guys. It's the Grave Watcher's head. It comes as a bag, but that's weird. Usually her head's attached to like the. Oh, this is a piece I haven't seen before on a Grave Watcher. Sectional control box. Usually that's like built into her. Weird. Instructions. You just look at the spirit instructions. And then this is the creepy cloth with what the heck? Oh, what? It's a sensor. Wait, this does stuff, I think, but it has a sensor. And a creepy cloth. And oh god. What is this? It's the mech, the whole body frame. Why are the arms missing? I don't think I'm gonna understand this probably. Like, whoa. Also, this is really beat up. Like, holy hell, this is beat up. Look at this. Oh no. I'm not gonna be too upset if it doesn't work, because honestly, I'm just trying to figure out what this actually is. Here's the box. This wires sticking out of everywhere. I don't even know. Okay. Well, let's start it. So, oh wait, these aren't game screens. Okay. Wow. Okay, at least the instructions are great quality. Okay, so we're supposed to put the clothing on first. I guess this is supposed to. The sensor's not supposed to be like. The sensor's supposed to be like this. You're supposed to put it on the inside of the dress. Like what? I'm confused. Like, oh, look. So there's a little Velcro strip on the inside of the dress with the hole. I guess that's where you put this in. Oh, okay. That makes a little bit more sense. Still not 100% sure why they don't just have that on the inside, since I'm pretty sure they had to like manually take that off forcefully. I'm trying to like uncover the sensor a little bit. So now the sensor's on it. I'm weirded out about this. This is kind of sketchy product. The beads are completely gone, and there's just this one little bead. Oh my god, I've owned the actual Grave Watcher, and mine kind of broke, but the only reason it broke is because it fell. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna put the dress on. I'm really curious to see how this is. I'm really curious because it has on the thing, they didn't even make the unbox. It's just the regular gray watcher. This thing doesn't have candles either, so. Like, where did candles go? Did you seriously take away your candles? I actually never understood why she has candles. Is it like so that way she's like can see in the dark or something? Is she afraid of the dark? Don't worry. They won't. They all not. Don't worry. There's not that many demons in there in the dark. Oh my god, this is already like really weird. Because it's like I feel like this all should have just been put together already. Kind of like how I feel like I think that they had an image of it on the website like set up, and it didn't look terrible, but it still didn't look great. So I'm just kind of curious to see how, if that one didn't look too great, how the actual final product is gonna look. But this is made by some weird cracked Japanese thing. So like, I don't know. I have nothing against this company because I've actually bought from this company and their stuff is actually pretty good. But this product is what caught my eye. And it's like, what? Because usually they have their own animatronics that they make, like, made up. But, like, I bought from that company, not animatronics, but, like, party supplies. And that's actually, their stuff, party supplies, is really creative. But, yeah. This is their first attempt at copying the spirit. First time copying the spirit. Kind of nervous, but anyway. Oh wow. This is okay. This is insanely hard to put on. It like, doesn't fit in the dress. It doesn't feel right. This thing actually it fits inside the dress and it's so beat up. It's just kind of like putting garbage in it because it doesn't fit. It's kind of funny actually. But also like $100 for this. I'd rather this than one, but I don't think it is, guys, because it's like everything is a mess. Okay, so actually, so far that dress actually online looks a lot better than the one on the website, so it was that one, but we gotta like put it down. So I guess it's supposed to look like she's coming out of the ground, but the hands need to, oh, so you do connect the hands. Okay, that makes sense now. The instructions are making it a little easier. There's like those little wires on the end frame, you're supposed to connect the hands to it. That makes a little bit of sense. Because like I was like, where are you supposed to put these hands? Because they're just kind of dangling there. You can see her like exposed like thing. I was like, that doesn't seem right. I guess you're supposed to like put it in the hole. Fire in the hole. Okay. It looks better, but it still does not look too great. Here's what it's looking like. What is this? This. Okay. Let's just continue. Next up, we need the head. It's just there's dirt on it. What is that? Ew. It's brown. I don't even want to touch this anymore. But it's just Grey Watcher's head, so nothing special about it. It's just that same head Grey Watcher has. For more money. There's no way it just says pop the head on top. Oh, the hands just fell out of the little slot. It just says pop the head on top, so it literally just sits on there. But that's not going to work, I think. Because it doesn't like, I feel like it needs to kind of be connected unless it doesn't. Okay. I'm like, okay. This is like weird. Alright, then we need the creepy cloth. And then the only weird thing is, I feel like one of the weirdest things about this is the head just sitting there so far. But wait, we still have the control box. What's next? What? Oh, that's dumb. So this doesn't even go hidden. It just sits in the back. That's dumb. So it just kind of sits in the back plugged in. So I'm gonna cover it up though. I'm gonna try to at least like use some of the back of the hair thing to cover it up. But it literally just sits on the back of it. And then we gotta connect wires. or those. It doesn't tell you to connect any wires, so I honestly think that those are just wires left over from the prop. But we'll connect them. So this is it. This is her fully set up. I have a few words. What is this? And why? Why? So I think I'm gonna just connect some of the wires just to see what happens. Just to see what happens. It's gonna explode. That's what's gonna happen. This whole thing is just gonna explode. So if it explodes, yay. No, not yay. I'm probably gonna be like, oh my god! Okay, so there's a lot of wires up here that I didn't connect, so that's on me, I think. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this wire is completely broken. This little piece is off. Unless it's just supposed to be like that. Let's just leave that plug in, you know? Maybe we can explode a little bit. So there's these two wires that look like they're supposed to be connecting to something, but they don't have connect. Unless that's it. But let's just do that. It's gonna explode when I plug this thing in. Like, none of this is built correctly, like, at all, so. The head, oh yeah, I just forgot I took the head off. I was about to be like, wait, the head, where'd it go? Because I took it off. This is the sensor, right? This is not the sensor wire. No, this is not the sensor wire. So that one, this long one, I think attaches to this one. No, this baby one attaches to this one. Okay, now let's grab the sensor wire. I have no idea where it is. How much time do I? Oh, I have like three minutes left to do this. I'm not gonna do a demo in this because I'm like almost out of time. But this is weird. I would not recommend it. But if you really are into weird animatronics, this is for you because this is weird. Why is she like? Okay. Just gonna connect these two and then we'll do a demo of her, I guess. And then a different video. We'll do a video entirely of demos, unless I can figure out how to do it. So, both the hands fell off. I want to put those back on real quick. Gotta do this quick so I don't run, because I have a 15-minute limit and we're 12 minutes. Well, I think maybe probably now, like 13 minutes. Yay, we're almost out of time. No, not yay. Okay. Last step is the head. What I'm gonna do. And if I can unplug one of these really quick, because she did not come with an adapter, which is kind of dumb. I kind of just realized it actually. Why? How much time do we have left? Alright, I think I can do one demo. If this even counts as a demo. Because I don't think this thing is gonna. Imagine it actually was like really cool, but I don't think so. Oh, whoa, she's moving. Not like that. Oh, wait, it's actually moving. I was not expecting that. Same audio. I wonder if they're gonna get copyrighted for using spirits like voice actors. It's the same audio that Spirit used. So she moves. I gotta like fix this up a little bit to make it stand, but that's it for this video. I would recommend it a little bit more, but still don't. Her arms move, which is good, but yeah, okay. Bye guys.